To make sure you don't end up like these two, you're going to want to learn how to do a proper board slide. I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys to make it easier for you. Now the first step to this trick is the ollie. You're going to want to pop a nice ollie to make sure your front trucks clear the rail. Once you have landed up on the rail, you want to try your best to keep the rail in the center of your board. You want to keep your knees slightly bent and you want to keep your weight directly over the top of the board. To make sure that your board isn't sideways when you come off the end of the rail, you're going to want to pivot your hips and counter rotate your body to make your board face straight. Once you land, you want to bend your knees slightly and roll away clean. I would suggest finding a nice small size flat bar you can practice on, then once you get a bit more confident you can take it to bigger rails.